Host. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we want to delve into an intriguing topic that has caught our attention. Why Iran is unlikely to initiate a war with Israel. Let's dive right into it. On-screen text, military imbalance. Host. To begin with, it is important to note that Israel possesses an incredibly strong military, equipped with advanced technology that gives them a significant advantage over Iran. This military imbalance serves as a deterrent for Iran. To on-screen text, regional stability. Host. Engaging in a war with Israel would undoubtedly escalate tensions in the region, a situation that Iran aims to avoid. The stability of the region is of utmost importance. 3. On-screen text. International response. Host. Iran is well aware that any act of aggression towards Israel would elicit a swift and robust international response, particularly from the United States and its allies. This serves as a powerful deterrent against starting a war. 4. On-screen text, domestic concerns. Host. Internally, Iran is currently grappling with economic challenges and public discontent. This makes the idea of initiating a war with Israel highly unpopular among the Iranian population. Their focus is primarily on resolving domestic issues. Feed on-screen text. Proxy conflict strategy. Host. Rather than engaging in direct confrontation, Iran has chosen a different strategy. They prefer to employ proxy groups to confront Israel, allowing them to maintain plausible deniability. This approach achieves their objectives without the risks associated with a full-scale conflict. 6. On-screen text, nuclear deal. Host. Furthermore, Iran expresses a keen interest in rejoining the nuclear deal. Starting a war with Israel would undoubtedly jeopardize these negotiations and hinder their goal of becoming a member once again. The diplomatic avenue is thus seen as a more preferable option. 7. On-screen text, mutual deterrence. Host. Last but not least, both Iran and Israel understand the principle of mutual deterrence. This concept prevents either party from launching an all-out war, as they both understand the catastrophic consequences it would entail for all involved. Cut to a shot of Iranian and Israeli flags. Host. So, as we can see, there are multiple factors that contribute to Iran's reluctance to initiate a war with Israel. What are your thoughts on this? We would love to hear from you in the comments section below. Closing shot of the host smiling. Host. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. See you in our next video.